I'd do it.
Yes, indeed. Thank you.
Thank you. And come again. Next. That'll be 7 cents.
Silas.
I'll be right there, Mrs. Winters. I've got customers waiting. And 3 cents change.
$7. What you doing, young fella? Playing hide and seek? It's good to be home, Alice. I swear, that town gets bigger every week. And the people, everybody running. Don't think half of them know where they're going. And they're sure aiming to get there fast. I saw all the children again today. They was running too. But at least they got sense enough to know they ain't going no place in particular. Bet if those fellas up in Boston knew they'd end up charging 7 cents for a bitty old box of tea, they wouldn't have dumped it in the ocean. I don't think I ever remember that walk into town taking so long. I'll just close my eyes for a while. It's good to be home, Alice. It's good to be home.
They're very fine boys, aren't they? Tim? Robbie? Hold your heads up. Tim, Robbie, look up at Mr. and Mrs. Holcomb.
He's shy, that's all.
Could we speak to you alone a moment, please?
Certainly. Miss Gaines, take the boys out into the hall, please.
Come along, boys. Miss Gaines. Yes? I'd like you to stay if you would. Wait right there. I'll be right out.
They're, fine-looking boys, aren't they?
There are a few questions that I have to ask.
Of course.
From the time the boys first came into the room, the little one, he never spoke.
Well, he's very shy, as his brother told you.
Yes, but you asked Tim to say something, and you didn't ask Robbie. Why was that?
Miss Gaines, can the boy speak? Have you ever heard him speak?
Well, no, I haven't. But I know he will.
How long have the boys been at the orphanage?
About 6 months.
Have you had the boy examined?
Oh, yes, and we found nothing wrong. He'll be all right, Mr. Holcomb, believe me. You see, it's just that they've been through so much. Being deserted by their father and mother, and then coming to a strange place to live.
I understand that. But you have to understand our position. Raising 2 boys isn't easy. I don't think it would be fair to my wife or to myself to attempt it if one of them has a problem.
But I told you the boy has been examined. He's all right.
Then make him speak. Bring him in and make him speak. We'd like to adopt Tim. We'll give him a good home.
Mr. Holcomb. Mr. Holcomb. The boys are brothers. All they have is each other. Mr. Dawson, please.
I understand how you feel, Miss Gaines, but our job is to find homes for the children. Sometimes it's impossible to keep them together.
Mr. Dawson, I beg you.
That'll be all, Miss Gaines. Take the boys back to their room. How soon will you be ready for the boy?
As soon as possible.
Well, there is some paperwork, but if we rush it, we can have everything ready in a week.
Well, that'd be fine. I do hope you understand the way my husband and I feel.
Of course I do.
I'm away. $0.07. Well, I wasn't expecting any company this evening. It's not that you're not welcome, you understand. You're more than welcome. It's just that I usually entertain company in my front room. Now, ain't nothing to be scared of, boys. I got cinnamon bread and hot tea brewing. You're welcome to join me. Guess I can't blame you. Ain't much fun eating with old folks, is it? But if you change your mind, front door's open. My cinnamon bread's pretty good, if I do say so myself. Got some extra pieces of cinnamon bread in case you change your mind. Oh, you kept yours in the pot so it wouldn't get cold. Nothing worse than cold tea, except maybe a cold nose. Sure is good. You fellas from around these parts?
Nope, just passing through.
Oh, I see. Well, where you heading?
San Francisco.
Is that so? San Francisco. Mighty nice place. Ain't never been there myself, but I heard tell about it. Traveling kind of light, ain't you?
We manage.
Oh, sure you do. By the way, my name's Jonathan May. What's yours?
Tim.
What's your name, young fella?
He's my brother. Name's Robbie. He don't talk much.
Smart fellas usually don't. Oh, you're welcome to spend the night. We've got plenty of room.
We don't want to put you out.
Oh, no bother at all. It's up to you. If you change your mind, bed's right in there. Well, come on, pitch in. Traveling makes a man hungry. Yeah, sure does, doesn't it?
Not a sign of him. I'll have to go into town, report it to the sheriff.
I'll get dressed. It'll take me just a minute.
There's no reason for you to have to go.
Yes, there is. I'm responsible for what happened.
What are you talking about?
I knew they were going to run away.
Tim told you?
You didn't have to. I could see it in their little faces.
Well, why in heaven's name didn't you stop him?
Mr. Dawson, what was I supposed to do? Tell them that they'd lost their mother and father, and now they were going to lose each other, but it was for their own good. I'll just be a moment.
Turn him in. But the folks must be worried sick about him.
Jake, round up as many men as you can. I'll meet you at the livery. Jonathan, I'll be with you in a couple minutes. Just a few more questions. What reason do you think the boys had for running away?
I don't know what you're implying. We treat the children very well at the orphanage.
Well, Mr. Dawson, I'm not implying anything. It's just that if I knew why they ran away, it might give me a better idea where to look.
Well, Mr. Dawson found a home for the older boy, but the adopting parents didn't feel they could take them both.
We do our best in these cases. It isn't easy, believe me. The younger boy can't talk. And quite frankly, I don't think we'll ever be able to find a home for him. It wouldn't be fair to hold Tim back to deny him a chance for a family.
Did you ask Tim
Ask him what?
whether he wanted to leave his brother?
We run the orphanage, not the children.
All right, if there's no more information, we'll get started. Oh, I'm sorry, Jonathan. You wanted to see me.
What?
You wanted to see me?
No, I just wanted to wait in a dry place till the rain eased up a bit.
Stay right here as long as you like.
I can't tell you fellas what to do. First of all, I ain't got the idea myself. And secondly, it's your decision to make. All I can tell you is they're looking for you. And you start heading for San Francisco now, they're bound to find you. Now, you're welcome to stay here as long as you want. I promise I won't say anything.
Why?
Why what?
Why didn't you tell him where we were?
Well, I guess it's because most folks would say I'm senile.
What's senile?
It's a very interesting question. It's a word a lot of people use so they won't have to pay no mind to what older people think. You know what I mean?
Kinda.
Well, what about it? You want to try it here for a while?
We'll try it here for a while.
All right, then. You boys will have to do your fair share. Tim, you go out to the hen house, find some eggs. Robbie, you go on outside, get some firewood. And then I'll make breakfast. All right? Get to work.
Yes, sir.
Never mind it, sir. Jonathan will do fine.
Right, Jonathan. Jonathan,
Yeah?
most folks don't pay no mind to what we think, neither. I guess that makes us all three senile, don't it?
Yeah. I suppose it does.
Come on, Robbie.
I'm traveling in pretty smart company, Alice. Well, Griff, how are you?
Jonathan, I just saw two boys come running in here.
You sure did. Say, how's Ben doing? Ain't seen him in quite a while.
Well, he's fine. Listen, those boys fit the descriptions of the one we've been looking for.
Well, they ought to. They're the ones. Oh, had your breakfast?
Yeah, I did. Thank you. Well, when did you find them?
Yesterday. Well, I didn't exactly find them. They just dropped in for a little visit.
You mean that they were here when we saw you in the sheriff's office last night?
That's right. Say, Griff, I got something to show you. You ain't gonna believe this. Would you believe they're getting 7 cents for this bitty old box of tea?
Jonathan, why didn't you tell us you knew where the kids were?
You know, that's the second time today I've been asked that question.
Come on, what's this all about? We've been out all night looking for them boys.
I know. And I'm sorry about that.
Yeah, well, sorry just ain't good enough anymore. I want some answers.
Well, we'll do our best. All right, boys, and come out now. Ain't no use hiding. Griff, I'd like you to meet Tim and Robbie. Boys, this is Griff King.
Well, how you fellas?
Now, why don't we sit down and talk this thing over proper, hmm? Hey, come on, fellas. Now, Griff, this ain't gonna be easy, because we ain't got all the answers, but, well, you remember what that man was saying about Tim and Robbie not seeing each other anymore? You don't think that's right, do you?
Well, no.
There you are, see? I knew it. I knew the way Griff was talking to that man, he was put off by the whole idea.
And now, hold on. Now, look, just because we think that Dawson's in the wrong doesn't make what you did right. You can't keep these kids here.
Why not?
Well, because it ain't right.
Well, Griff, you sure are a hard man to figure out. You just got through saying that what that man is doing ain't right, and now here the three of us trying to stop him, and you're telling us we ain't right. Now, one of us got to be right, one of us got to be wrong. Now, who is it?
Jonathan, you just can't boil this thing down to a question of right and wrong.
Boil it, stew it, or fry it. I want an answer to my question.
I don't know.
Well, there you are. You see, we're all in the same boat. Now, you just admitted you don't know what's right and what's wrong, and we know what's right, but, well, we just don't know what to do about it. Now, the way I look at it, all we need is a little more time. A little more time ain't gonna hurt nothing. Is it?
Well, I suppose not.
See? I told you Griff was our kind of folks.
Now, look, Jonathan, I can't keep this thing a secret forever. You remember that?
Oh, I'll remember that.
All right. Well, I'll stop by the orphanage and, well, I'll tell them that the posse's still looking.
Well, thank you, Griff.
Now, this is just for a little while, Jonathan. You remember that?
Yeah, I'll remember.
Mr. King, me and my brother thank you. We sure are glad you're senile, too.
What?
Yeah, that's just a little expression we use. Don't pay it no mind. And thank you, Griff. Thank you.
I'll stop by tomorrow.
How long before they bite?
Oh, that's hard to tell.
I wish they'd hurry up.
Why? You got someplace to go?
No,
Ain't no hurry then.
I ain't never caught a fish before.
Well, maybe you wasn't patient enough.
No, I just never been fishing before. Pa didn't think much of fishing. He said it was kid stuff.
He was probably right. I guess it don't make sense to a lot of people to spend hours trying to catch some fish they could buy in a store for just a few cents.
How come we do it then?
Well, there's two reasons. One is that no matter what happens on this earth, a fella can always go out and catch his own supper. Provide for himself and his family. That's a great feeling.
What's the other reason?
'Cause it's fun. That's the most important one. It's just great fun. Not yet, not yet. I'll tell you when. Now. Hey, that's a big one. Keep the line tight. More than enough there for supper. Take it easy now. Careful of the hook now. Don't stick your finger. That's it. There. I told you we'd catch a fish, didn't I? Robbie caught the first fish. What do you think of that fish, Robbie? Come on, Tim. Let's us older fellas see if we can catch some fish.
We can, I just know it.
Yeah, there we are. Now, get into bed. We've had a long day.
We have to say our prayers.
Oh, yeah, that's a good thing to do.
Prayers are kind of private.
Well, I'll see you in the morning.
Jonathan, thank you.
Good night.
Well, God, we're still here. We asked you last night for a few more days, you remember? Well, we changed our minds. If it's all right with you, we'd like to stay with Jonathan forever. I know that's not a long time to you, God, but it is to us. He's a nice man, and I know you'd like him. But anyway, we'd sure like to stay with him. Well, that's about all. Amen. Oh, yeah, God. Bless Ma and Pa. Help them to be happy. Amen. Good night, Bobby.
Forgive me for listening, Lord, but you know how nosy old folks are. Besides, it'd save you a lot of time listening to me, because I was going to ask you the same as the boy did. Amen.
Grant. Can I help you?
Yes, sir. Mr. Dawson, my name is Jonathan May, and I want to adopt some children.
I see. Well, I'll be honest with you, Mr. May. We usually look for parents who are, well, younger than yourself.
Younger don't mean better.
No, of course not. Might I ask your age and the age of your wife?
Oh, I'm a widower.
I see.
I got a farm not far from here. It's small, but mighty nice place for raising kids.
Oh, sounds very nice. In a case like yours, the financial aspect would be of prime importance. Yearly income, money in the bank. How has your farm been doing?
Well, I ain't been working my farm for a few years. But I got everything we need. I got chickens, and I got a garden, and the fishing's awful good around there.
Mr. May, I really think we're wasting each other's time. I'm afraid there's no way for you to qualify. Well, if you had a good working farm, I'm sorry. Good day, Mr. May.
working farm. A good working farm. Well, if that's what they want, darn it, that's what they're gonna get. Talking to the best dang farm in the whole valley.
No luck, huh?
Huh? We're gonna get a bite to eat and head out about half an hour.
All right with you.
I know where they are.
What?
I said I know where the boys are.
Why didn't you tell me this before?
I couldn't. I promised them, and I promised Jonathan.
Jonathan May?
Yeah. They're over at his house. And the boys are fine.
You mean to tell me that you kept a posse combing this countryside night and day, and all the time you knew where those boys were? Why?
The old man, he just wanted some time.
Time for what?
I don't know. He didn't want those little fellas split up. And I don't either.
Of course you knew. You know you were wrong. Keeping this to yourself. You know that, don't you? I understand.
I can't face Jonathan. And those two little kids.
Tell you what. We'll ride into town and tell Clem. Jonathan doesn't have to know that you told me anything. Then Clem and Dawson can ride out and sort of drop in on Jonathan. I'll saddle my horse.
Jonathan! Supper's ready! Jonathan! 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 Please get up! Jonathan! Please get up. I'll get help. I'll get help.
I think he'll be all right. He'll need rest. Lots of it. He's just physically exhausted himself. I told him 5 years ago he could never work the fields again. I don't know what got into him.
It was love, I guess.
He wants to see you. But don't talk too long. He needs his rest. Sir, Mr. King, I had no idea the old man would do anything like this.
Don't you call him an old man. He's got a name. He's got a hell of a lot of things that you don't have.
Better get the boy back to the home. Come on, Robbie. It's time to go.
Jonathan is going to be all right. It's going to be fine. Mr. Dawson, I'd like to talk to you. What's going to happen to Tim and Robbie?
Nothing has changed, Mr. Cartwright. Tim will be adopted tomorrow at 10 by the Holcombs, and that'll be the end of it. I don't change decisions because of the ravings of a senile old man and a young ex-convict.
Oh, Griff. I didn't hear you come in.
I don't blame you for taking a little cat nap, Jonathan. You put in a hard day.
Hard day, my foot. When I was your age, I could work a mule into the ground.
Yeah, I can believe it.
How are my boys?
Oh, they're fine. They're just worried about you, that's all.
I let them down. I promised them everything would be all right.
Hey, you did the best you could, Jonathan. That's what counts.
I lied to them. I lied to myself first, and that made it easier to lie to them. I knew I could never give them a proper home. Not really. I guess I always knew that. It's been so long since I had someone to love. You understand?
Yeah, I understand.
Don't let them separate my boys.
Doc.
He's just asleep. You better go. I'll stay with him.
Don't worry, he'll be all right.
I think I'm the best judge of what is good for these children.
And I think the boys are. Look, all they've got is each other. You're strangers to them. Give them a chance. Just give them a chance to be happy.
I'm sorry. As soon as Miss Gaines has Timmy ready, we'll be leaving.
They're gone. The boys are gone again.
You knew about this, didn't you? You had something to do with it, didn't you?
No, but I sure wish I did.
Well, you're gonna wish you never had anything to do with those boys. Now you tell me where they've gone.
We're right here. The boys came to pay me a little visit. The doctor had been up all night. We didn't want to wake him, so we just borrowed his rig to come back with.
Well, you've interfered with the law once too often, Mr. May.
What are you going to do? Lock me up for the rest of my life? They won't hardly give me a chance to get my things unpacked. Now, why don't you just sit down and be quiet for a while? Well, go on, sit down. You the Holcombs? Well, I guess you're the folks I want to talk to.
I think the boys should wait outside.
Why? It's their lives we're talking about, ain't it? Fella's got a right to hear what's going to happen to his own life. Seems like some folks know what's best for other folks without ever asking them what they think. Why don't you want Robbie, Mr. Holcomb? Oh, come on. Why don't you want Robbie? Say it in front of the boy. Well, it seems we got two folks in the room now that can't talk. But I think Robbie's got a better reason. Because if he could talk, what would he say? What kind of questions would he ask? Why did my ma and pa leave me? What's going to happen to me now? Why doesn't somebody love me? Ain't much reason to talk, is there? And it ain't true that Robbie never made a sound. Oh, it ain't talking. And I know Mr. Dawson's never heard it. But I have. It's filling this room right now. It's filled my old house for the last 5 years. It's the sound of sadness. The sound of loneliness. I hope to God you never hear it. But Robbie has. And so is Tim. Don't let that sound go any louder. Give the boys a chance. Well, that's it. I've said my piece. I better be getting the doctor's rig back.
If it's all right with the boys, we'd like to have him. Both.
I love you.
And 25 cents change. Thank you. That'll be 8 cents.
Only 7 cents last time.
Well, things go up, you know. And 2 cents change.
cents for a bitty old box of tea.